some heads for cost of conformance versus cost of non-conformance. The cost of conformance is divided into two areas: prevention cost, appraisal cost. Prevention cost, for the same reason I've just explained, anything that you are investing in the process to ensure that things work and get delivered as per the expectation. It's like, in a way, it's a quality assurance. Training, documentation, any tools, techniques, equipment, machinery, right people, investing in the right people, right skill set, and doing it at the right time. The same example. If I learned it the hard way, I already have impacted my health. And then I got to understand that now I need to invest and I need to take care of my health as well as invest in my health. Still, it's not too late. But if you had understood it like way earlier, then it would have not cost you this much. So the time to do it right is very important when it comes to the prevention cost, that you understand that this is the right moment to spend or this is the right moment to do something. So this is a quality assurance cost, where whatever you spend or whatever you do with respect to ensuring process, SOPs, procedures, guidelines, skill set, capabilities, whatsoever. The other head is appraisal cost. Appraisal cost is like some mechanism for conformance, testing, inspections, observations, and keeping a check and balance one way or the other. It can be mentoring, coaching as well, right? So at times, mentoring, coaching, speaking with the people helps you in understanding that where they are struggling or where they are lacking, which is again a mechanism of keeping a healthy check and balance. So appraisal cost is a type or head of cost of conformance, where you are actually implementing the verification mechanism. Based on this, you may have some data which will lead you to understand that the testing, inspections, and other verification mechanisms require you or your team to rework or scrap, which is a cost of non-conformance, but still an internal one, right? It's still part of verification. The verification leads to, or that certain techniques or tools which is inbuilt in your process by testing, verification, using certain tools, mechanisms for ensuring the process. Once you apply that, you get to know that how much of the process is actually established. And if the process is not on track, then automatically it will lead to certain deviations, certain bugs, issues, problems, fixes, or maybe in the severe case, it can be a whole scrap working from the step zero. So that still is internal to that. It's termed as internal failure cost. Verification, if it is not giving you the expected results, will lead you to the rework or scrap or fixes. It can be fixes as well. However, if verification exercise is going to miss some areas and you take it to your customer and Customer gets to know that things are not working as expected, which is a validation exercise. Then this is a bigger problem. This is a bigger problem. This may lead to liabilities, warranty claims, lost business, uh, you know, causing you the trust that you have established with your stakeholders, the brand, name in the market, maybe bad word of mouth, negative sentiments, anything bad that you can expect from the external world.